Hi friends! So today I'm here at a 4-bed townhouse at JVC. JVC stands for Jumeirah Village Circle. So you can see the outside of this townhouse, and by the way, this is a 4-bed townhouse. I am visiting the end unit today. Of course, the middle units are also available, and it is the replica. You can see the amazing size living area. I really like this layout, this color. You can see the unit is quite bright. Since it is an end unit, you have a garden space as well. Good size kitchen. You can see lots and lots of storage spaces. This is a brand new unit, brand new townhouse. So if you are moving here, you will be the first owner. It has got an elevator as well. So this is the first guest washroom, and it has got a maid's room, plus you can see the kitchen once again. Amazing unit. I really love the color choices of the owner, the developer. This is the parking garage. I'll show you how upstairs they have maintained the color and the color choice. You would love it. So I am going to the first floor. First floor has got the 2 bedrooms, and the second floor has got the 2 bedrooms. So technically it is 4 bedroom plus maid. So this is the first bedroom. You can see floor to ceiling glass heights, good ceiling height as well. All these things makes the unit so bright. Actually, let me show you the view from the balcony. By the way, every bedroom has balcony, every bedroom has washroom in this particular townhouse. You can see the choice of the cupboard basically, and we have standing shower over here. So the closets are actually light in color, so these things actually make the unit so bright. So this is the second bedroom. I would like to show you the view from the second bedroom as well. So that's the second bedroom view from the balcony. About JVC, I would say that JVC is very well connected to major highways. You can see the standing shower. It's just a replica of the first bedroom. Now I'll go to third and fourth bedroom. So I was continuing about JVC. JVC is connected to Al Khail Road and Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, both. And it is centrally located within the city. So within the city, it means you have downtown nearby, you have Al Barsha, you have Dubai Internet City, you have Dubai Marina, JLT. Everything is quite near from here. You can see the view from the balcony. Actually, it's the same replica of the first floor. Only the fourth bedroom will change a little bit. So I'm in the fourth bedroom now. You can see what a good size of the bedrooms are. And it has got a bathtub. So that's the only change. But the choice, the quality, each and everything, you'll love it. Wooden flooring, the tiles, everything is beautiful. So that's the Nakheel Mall upcoming. And by the way, Jumeirah Village Circle is the master developer of JVC is Nakheel. And there are many private developers, private players I would say, who are developing their properties and selling them in JVC, but the master developer remains Nakheel. It is an amazing community, JVC. You would love to be here. You would like to live here. Everything is nearby, and so many choice of restaurants, your supermarkets, everything is nearby. You can see the quality, you can see the color choice. So let me know your reviews about the about this particular townhouse, and if you want to know more about the prices or anything, let me know. I'll help you on that, and I'll arrange for the viewing as well. Thank you.